Okay, so I just made a quick logger of my GPS data. So it's almost the same program as before, but I saved the data to the file. So just just a couple of more important things. So this device has an LED which blinks when it is connected to the, like when it can receive the GPS signals. And another thing is I'm in HKUST in Hong Kong, so you can just verify my locations later. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put my camera down here just to show you the environment, and I'll just log the data and then plot that data to prove to you that it actually works. So I'll just show you how the environment looks like. So it's a lawn and there are some buildings out there. Okay, so I just keep it here and I walk towards that green bus. Okay, so I'm back with after doing a small circle. Hopefully, okay. So that's it. I'll just plot this data on Google Maps and also share with you the coordinates of the file.